Okay, by the way, I'm Aaron Manuel, a mechanical engineer, and I recently finished my course in AutoCAD 2D at CAD International. To sum it all up, it was a great experience, and this staff professionalism is something that I adore. And I am happy that they provided me the opportunity to broaden and expand my knowledge when it comes to designing. And in the future, I am thrilled and excited to try other courses that CAD International offer. That's all. Thank you. 5 out of 5. The very the things that leaves a mark to me is that Miss Amy is so professional with her craft, and she was able to taught me things that I really need when it comes to my profession. At the same time, she is so approachable and easy to get with. Thank you.